Hoorah! Well, hey there, y'all. Welcome on back to the Mountain Man. We're in some muddy territory over here. We are going to this old abandoned mansion over here. See what the hell is over here. Because this place, wow, it's about to be torn down. This old mansion. We're going from the back way. We're going to pull into the front, but probably better that we don't. Wow. So I don't know what happened here. I think possibly something cryptid related or paranormal related, because why would such a big place? Whoa, it is open. Wow. Why would it be torn down? It's gonna be torn down real soon. Whoa. Big old pile of leaves. Wow. A butterfly wing? Ooh, an old Christmas hat. There could be squatters in here. You're going in? Oh, that's where the butterfly came from. Oh, wow. Look at the old kitchen. Wow. Old pop can. What does Maya think? Wow, look at that old fireplace. Whoa, this is creepy as hell. That's the garage.
Look at the staircase.
Oh, it could be broken glass. Big old chandelier. Wow. I assume that's the front door. Hey? Is that how you get downstairs? Oh man, this place could easily be haunted. Whoa. This is freaky. I'm always watching abandoned videos and stuff. I've never been in an abandoned place. Yeah, we got the old ice cap in here. A bottle of pills. A bunch of pill bottles. Oh my goodness. Merry Christmas to Santa. It says Santa twice. Is that the damn ice cream bunny? What the hell? I hope you read my card. Merry Christmas, Santa, to Santa. This is freaky in here. Pizza? Another bedroom? Whoa, walking on carpet feels weird. That's right, I just saw someone in there. You might not be able to tell, but this place has got some cool Italian architecture to it on the outside. I think it's Italian. I don't know when it was built. Hello? Oh, that's right. I thought I heard you guys in there. Why do I keep hearing that sound? Yeah, it's gonna be leveled though pretty soon. You can probably guess why. Oh boy, whoa! The basement. Silly old man. Yeah, I'll go down in a second. It's right across from the old hardware store, and the old woods used to be back there. Probably was a nice place, I'd assume, back in the day. Well, it definitely was. I always remember seeing it. Not my type of mansion, but oh my goodness. I don't think there's any mold, because it hasn't really been abandoned very long. But still. Old couch. I'm not going down here. I don't want to go down too far. I do want to show you guys the front though.
Well, that's the one, go ahead, Ryan.
Yeah, right? Alright. A pole? Yeah, I always thought this place looked very Italian. We're right across from Tim Hortons, so you've probably seen us go past this place before. I drive by it every single day. That's Mall and Tim Hortons right there. A couple squirrels. And there's Maya and Dad. And there it is from the front. This big old mansion. I think I was talking about Italian architecture. Well, that's what I get by the arches. Wow. Big old staircase. All the stairs are falling off. Those weren't like that. I think they must have... Someone must have came in. Look at the wood on top. I think that's a camera, unless it's just a light. Anybody home? Oh wow, it opens right up. And that's right where we were. Why so many pill bottles? A little concerning. Yeah, that's right where we were, guys. Tim Hortons. Look at that. Bunch of donuts. None left in it for me. Oh, wow. You can actually get up there. Because there's a... There's like a... outdoor part. I gotta do it. Whoa! Oh. Wow. It's not very level up here. Look at everyone in the Starbucks drive-through. Maya's barking for me. I know we're not really supposed to be over here, but I'm going down. We're not doing any harm. Just investigating. Because you never know. Could be a cryptid in here. Some more bedrooms over there, but I'm not going in there. Ooh. Yeah, there's no mold in here, so I'm not really worried about it. Huh. Wow. That was cool. Oh yeah, the garage. Jones? Hey, I know them. Casey Jones. His dad owns that company. So it is Jones taking it down. Bastards. Okay, look in the garage. We kind of already saw. We can probably get a better look if we look through this window here. Oh wow. Thanks. Bunch of mattresses. A fan, a tiny kiddie pool. Whoa. Look, it smells like an old barn in here. A little Cadillac. It's definitely a mansion, of course. That's a big old place. Show you old man. Big old trees. I don't think there was anybody in there, but you never know if there's anything paranormal going on. But yeah, I guess that's gonna be it, guys. This old place is coming down soon. It's definitely been here about 50 years. I know that's for sure. And yeah, like I was saying earlier, I forgot to keep talking about it because of the old basement, but basically another condo like that one right there, the Griffin, it's gonna be replacing this big old mansion. Kind of sad. I don't know who lived here or anything, but I like old places like this. They're cool to see. And it's sad that it's not gonna be here for all that much longer, but let me know down in the comments below what you think went down here. I mean, look at that. A patio door that goes to nowhere. What the hell is that all about? Not a very nice day out though. It's kind of raining. It's actually Christmas Eve. when I'm filming this. And when you'll see it too. Not really a Christmassy video, but still. Thought it'd be fun to do. Not only there's anyone else in the area that does abandoned videos like this, but I love watching them, like on the Wally B26 channel. I love watching those. Oh, looks like Dad left. So, yeah, I thought I'd try to make one myself. This area, though, is just becoming all built up. So old places like this don't really stand a chance, especially when they're in the hub of the town like this. Man, that's a cool shot right there, though. That just looks like an old mansion you find in the woods. Cool roof, too. Good with that skull. That's what makes it look so Italian, and the archways. Anyways, though, thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Different kind of video. Might be doing some more abandoned videos soon. And, yeah, well, stay tuned. I guess before we go, we should explore this a little bit, too. But I think Dad's ready. Oh, yeah. There he is over there. He's going to come pick me up, I guess. They dug a big hole. Look at that. But, yeah, I guess that'll be it. Thank you guys for watching. This is a fun one. Different kind of video here on the Mountain Man. Hope y'all enjoyed. And, yeah, with that, I'll see y'all next time. Right here on the Mountain Man. Hoorah! Gonna catch a monsters.